Welcome to this unboxing video. Today we are unboxing the Philips Fyve LED solar lamp. We will start with the wall-mounted lamp. They are priced at just 89 Danish kroner. It's supposed to shine with a warm white light for 6 hours on a full charge. Here is the fixture. It is supposed to last for 15,000 hours. But it comes with a manual and screws and plugs for mounting. Let's look at the earth-mounted version. It has same specs as the other. Let me know in the comments what you think. I am quite positive. Please like and subscribe.